of glitter power to you.
Do you save coins from your international trips so you can make crafts when you get back? That is what I do. I took these coins from Mexico, polished them up, and then I busted out the flat back crystals. You're going to need some UV resin, the UV resin light, gloves, a mask, and a precision tip bottle, and a tool to apply the crystals. I picked this up at the craft store, but you could also use a tool called the Crystyler. My friend Norma Rapko invented it, but I lent it out and I never got it back, so I had to use this other tool. You could also use a crayon. Apply each crystal one by one on top of the resin, and you're going to push them out so they look nice and even to form a circle. I did this next step 2 times. I filled the inside with resin. I did one thin layer, and then I used a bamboo skewer or a chopstick to push it out so it's nice and even. And then I put it under the UV light for 1 minute, and I went back and added a second layer of resin just in the middle. And that way it was nice and thick and shiny, and look at how these rings turned out. It takes a little bit of patience applying the crystals, especially around the outside, because I did them in sections and put them under the lamp in sections. And the bummer to this project is when you run out of coins. I couldn't find any more. So now I need to go travel the world so I can gather up more coins and come back and make more rings.